Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about DIY planner cover. This is my planner for the year. Let's cover it up. I am using this gift wrapping paper to cover my planner. This will make my planner looks more colorful and I don't have to decorate it much. Cover your planner in the same way you cover your books or notebooks. Place your planner open on the paper. Take a gap of 1 to 2 inches and cut extra sheet. Now cut from the center, fold the sides and paste it. I always use tape to cover it up. Do the same at the bottom. For sides, do it as shown in the video. Again, open your planner, cut from the center, and this should be the same as the thickness of your planner. Repeat the same steps here. Let's move on to the decoration part. For this I am using purple glitter sheet and zigzag scissors. I am cutting sides of the sheet by using the scissors. I am using tape to paste it. You can also use Fevicol. Personally, I don't like using Fevicol much. Now I will paste the sticky note on the purple glitter sheet. Do it carefully and don't leave gap in between the sheets. I am using this black pen to write planner. Now I am writing 2021 with the purple pen. For the next step, I am using sticky notes of the same color as in the base and I will write quotes on it. Write any quotation that inspires you. Now cover it using plastic paper. And it's done. I wish it was that easy to cover the planner. I write my to-do list for the month here in the notes. I highlight it once it's done. I will do the same for all the months. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.